Hi there, Leos. This is your zodiac reading, and this is going to be from July 1st to the 15th for you. We will be looking at the current situation that is going on for you, and if the current situation resonates, then pretty much I feel the outcome or the next 15 days that I'm trying to pick up that will also resonate with you. And I'll end it off with an advice from the universe to you. Again, this is a general reading. Remember, while you're watching this, it may or may not resonate with you. If the present situation is not resonating, then this reading is not for you. All right? So, let's see. Let's begin. What's going on with Leos? Okay, let's see what's going on with you. Six of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, the Wheel of Fortune. Comfort zone stagnation, Leos. Let me know. So, what I'm seeing here is you are in a very balanced situation right now in your life, and you just want to be here. You don't want to move from there. But I think things are changing. You will not, I think you've reached a stagnation. These two cards together is telling me a balanced stagnation. Either you really want the stagnation or you want to. Let me clarify this one minute. Wheel of. Actually, let me clarify all the cards. Six of Pentacles here. The Devil. Hanged Man here. The Star. Wheel of Fortune. Two of Swords. One more. Emperor. Interesting. You could be in a situation where you've been given everything. So, Leos, I feel that somebody is making you believe that this is stability. Let me know if this is resonating. Somebody, or is it your own mind that is making you think that this is stability? I can't let go of this. This is my thing. When the fact of the matter is that somebody is trying to enforce their opinion on you, and this person can be a very strong masculine energy. I have the Emperor here. And you don't want to see, like I'm seeing that energy now. If you don't want to see, then obviously you will not connect with this reading, but this is what I'm picking up, that this picture that has been set in front of you is a devil's mind. It's not negative, I would say, but what I am picking up from here is that it's not how as nice as it appears to be, Leos. Okay? With the Star and the Hanged Man, I think that you will so you get these downloads. The reading is very interesting, actually. You get these downloads sometimes, maybe while you're sleeping or in your dreams, that something is not right, or there is something that is missing, or there is something that is misleading, But I think you tend to avoid it because this person's energy is very heavy on you. This person makes you believe that this is what it is, this is what is that. Um, Maybe a very good brainwasher or something like that, a very good influencer. This person could be somebody who has a very strong opinion about everything. And this wheel of fortune here is like a machine that I get, that the universe is trying to give you signs and trying to guide you through these intuitions and dreams and gut feelings that something's not right. All right. There is, let me know if this is resonating with you. You feel that energy that someone's trying to manipulate you, but then again, you think it is stability because this person's energy has been so heavily around you that you believe that yes, this is stability. All right. Now, if this resonated, let's see what can you expect in the next 15 days, July 1st to the 15th. The Emperor again. There is something about the Emperor. Ace of Wands. Ace of Cups. Wow. A new beginning here. This person wants you, like desperately they want you. Okay, this person is very, very into you and they can't let you go. I'm seeing this person could offer you a new beginning, a marriage or a commitment, something like that, around those lines. And I mean, I'm not getting a very positive feeling from this spread. Like, although there are so many positive cards, I still feel that this person could be a little selfish. Let me see whether. Let me clarify about this Emperor. Page of Wands, Queen of Wands, Page of Cups. This person thinks that you're. One second. Eight of Cups. Okay, so Leos, I think this person thinks that you're very easygoing. They don't have to do too much to convince you. That's why I was saying I'm not getting a very good feeling. Should you go for this new beginning? We'll pick that up in the advice. Okay, no, I still want to see it. Okay, this reading is has very heavy energies around. 1 second. Should you go for this, Leos? Ace of Pentacles. Yes, because the cards are saying. One more, please. Queen of Pentacles. Page of Cups and the Moon. Alright, so financially you will be sorted. Everything will be in place, but there is going to be an emotional side of you which will not be fulfilled if you go for this. However, the universe is telling you to go for it because maybe there is a lesson out there for you. So you should. So I see a new beginning happening in this period for you, July 1st to the 15th. This person really wants you. I see a devil here, so I feel there is something karmic between the two of you which has to be taken care of. So even if you want to resist it, you will not be able to resist it. Alright? So now let's see an advice card from the universe for you. the Jwal Khul. This is Dharma unfolding. Remember that you're on a path. Take one step at a time to happiness. So, this card is again telling you that you have to be a little careful in your decisions when it comes to this situation. This is moreover a love situation, I feel. Just be a little vigilant about every step. I mean, as much as you can, because this will only make you more clear. So, I mean, I am just concerned about this Two of Swords and the Moon energy, okay? Because, and then there's the Knight of Cups here. So, I'm just concerned about that because I feel that somewhere you might decide thinking that you might not get an option like this again. But there is a part of you which might feel unfulfilled and that can cause some problems, okay? Let's see. One more card here as an advice. Details. There you go. Details. So, do not trust this situation blindly. Okay? Understand every aspect on your own and then only decide on something. Okay? Don't trust on it absolutely blindly. Okay, Leos, so that is what I have for your reading. I hope this gave you the clarity that you're seeking and I hope this resonated with you. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me and I will see you soon again with more readings. Take care. Bye.